Connect with like-minded AHK users in our private chat, helping each other out and sparking ideas that make scripting way more fun. Unlock weekly live sessions totaling 3 hours. Expert guidance, troubleshooting, and interactive learning to make AHK mastery a breeze. Irfan, why don't you go ahead and start off showing the updates we did to the hotkey string lookup tool.
Sure. So let me open the folder, lookup tool, and it is taking a bit time for loading. So because what we did, so if someone hit this checkbox, it will show you all the shortcuts from other programs. And these programs are right now running. So uh, so these are the program that are running, and I can see the hotkeys for my Dropbox. I can see hotkey for Telegram, Chrome, and the good thing is I can search. So if I was running Excel, then it will end up here, and these are the list of the programs that our tool knows, and you can search the hotkey for, and it will only show you if that program is running. Otherwise, you will have thousands of lines and you need to filter them. So it's good to have a filter like these, and this checkbox will translate each of the hotkey, and and I unchecking is it will show you the version we create the hotkey, and it is essential because we are disabling in a way we need this hotkey. So you can disable a hotkey for Excel, and it's very cool.
Hmm. I actually like that. That's really cool.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's really awesome that we have a lot of other programs. Um,
Yeah. I remember this has been a question like that has been asked many times like, hey, can we look at the hotkeys from other programs? And you and I, Joe, we talked about it a long time ago. Like, well, we at least could make a list. And you started working on that. You already had a few, right? You already had a few files. And then I remember that we had Irfan, no, sorry, Rhys1 working on a lot of lists from a lot of programs, but we didn't never knew how to incorporate it into one of the other programs, right? So now having it here, like finally looking at it, like yeah, there we go. We have it so that you can get what the basic built-in hotkeys are for each of them. That's a great little tool right there.
Irfan, can you put the pretty link or just the URL, whatever? I'm trying to launch my tool, but I can't pull up pretty links right now.
About, and I think
Actually, it should be built into the tool. Yeah. Yeah.
so. Let me share in the Hero group.
Yeah, that was always one of my favorite tools that we created as
Yeah.
both for noobs and for people that have a ton, right? Because you
Yeah.
create them and then it's easy to forget them. So it's yeah, I'm glad we got that finally converted to V2 and added functionality.
Definitely.
Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services.